Ubuntu 22.04 is great. Firefox Snap Package, it's... I sound like Jay Leno. All right, so the Firefox Snap Package in Ubuntu 22.04 took about 12 seconds to launch. My Windows 11 travels at warp speed compared to that. Now, you guys said, hey, Toss, look, try Flatpaks. They're better, they're faster, and maybe that's better for you. I'm like, cool. So what I did, I installed Firefox Flatpak in Ubuntu Mate because Ubuntu Mate is lighter to start with. So let's see if that is any better. All right, so if I go to internet here, I have two Firefoxes. One of these is a Flatpak, one is not. All right, so the Firefox web browser, that shortcut, I believe, is the non-Flatpak. And you can see it launched in, that's actually pretty fast, like 1 second. Wow, I was not expecting that. Let's get out of that. Let's try the Flatpak in Ubuntu Mate Firefox. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. All I can tell you is if this is the standard performance of these packages, then these packaging systems are clearly not the future, because this is awful. And this is really unacceptable. So I don't know if it's only certain pieces of software that's slow or it's just the nature of these snaps and Flatpaks. It's pretty bad when Windows 11 as a whole is faster than these specific packaging systems. But that being said, to be fair, let me know if you guys have better performance across different Linux distributions besides Ubuntu-based, Ubuntu or Ubuntu Mate, and such as systems like that. Let me know in the comments below. I am curious about this. Take care.